Okay, hey guys, this is my third time's a charm recording. Wind is messing us up, so we're at Tanner Station over by Blue Licks Battle State Park. I got a new pipe for you. Okay, this is old German clay. They're new pipes. Yeah, it's not clay; it's briar. This is the old German clay retro sandblast long billiard with windcap. Okay, it retails through Smoking Pipes for $57. The length of the pipe is 6.15 inches. The weight is 1.73 ounces. Chamber is 1.81 inch. The chamber diameter is 0.88 inches, so it's a little over 3/4. I can get my thumb up to the knuckle in it. It's got a good sized bowl. And the tip is vulcanite. Okay, there's the technical specs. My review of this pipe. It arrived on Friday, okay? And I didn't try to smoke it because I was busy till yesterday afternoon while I was doing stuff and sitting back in the backyard. It smoked, once I kind of got into it, it smoked pretty good. I smoked it this morning with my cup of coffee, and I was quite impressed. Now, the wind cap, they got a small pin just in there, and they didn't crimp it, and it would come out real easy, so I just took the wind cap off. I don't like wind caps anyways. Don't ask me why I bought it, because the price is $57. But for this morning, for today's video, I put it in there and I crimped it. So I'm smoking. I got air more in it. So we're gonna light it up now that we're out of the wind, or attempt to. By the way, I don't particularly care. Wind caps I've learned from my German pipes, come on. There we go. Just gonna take several lights. But it smokes pretty good. And the Airmore blend goes in it very nicely. It takes a bit to get it lit. Mainly because the bowl is so large for a billiard. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna take the wind cap off of it, but keep the rim on it. Who knows, I might keep it on. But I've noticed when I first got here and tried filling, the whole thing came off. So the metal work on it is not the best. It's inexpensive, but it's a $57 pipe. But it's a good smoke. It's well worth it. If you want a billiard, and you want a decent European billiard, you don't want some Chinese crap, you really can't quite afford a Savinelli or a Peterson or even a Dunhill. This is a good pipe, especially for a beat around pipe. This is a good pipe to have like for the woods. Yeah, you see there the cap, the whole thing came off. I got to see about getting a better glue on it. It's going to take a little bit tweaking. But that's all part of the hobby. Excuse me while I relight this. Wind shifting, so. Yeah, very pleasant bite. And actually, if you look at the sandblasting, it's almost like they burn it. Boy, they cleaned it up for that. The briar on that, it actually looks like it's made from pretty dang nice briar. They say this tip is vulcanite, but it looks more acrylic to me. But once again, for the price, it's a nice classic style German billiard. And smokes pretty nice. Very pleasant. So anyways, this will be the last time I do a video here at Tanner Station. The things I need to start really pushing the ball, getting the ball moving, take the show on the road has arrived. So probably within the next month, you'll start seeing my videos coming from you know where. Someplace dang more tropical than this place. Yeah, this smokes very smoothly. It sips nicely. Sips very nicely. No burn on the tongue, no gurgling. Of course, it's a billiard. And the gurgling. Smoke's more than cool enough. Like I said, I'm going to take the cap off more than likely because I find it more of a hindrance than anything else. When I had all my alpine pipes, that was one of the problems. You always constantly had to fight during the open up, close it, open up, close it. It's in the way. If you do well with wind caps, then good. I don't typically have that good luck with them. But it do look cool. And, you know, look kind of is part of why we buy particular pipes. Well, since we're here, kind of look around a little bit. This has always been a pretty area. I've done a number of reenactments here. We used to have in November, mid-late November, we'd have the flintlock rifle frolic. They quit doing that. State quit. The guy running the park quit us from doing that. Can't do that no more. We pretty much ruined reenactment around here. But done a lot of reenactments here. Done a lot of the battle reenactments across the street at the Blue Licks battle site. Did a lot of hiking. Well, because we're right along the Licking River. So, but, yeah. Old German clay, retro sandblasted long billiard with windcap. $57. Good smoking pipe. Y'all may want to check it out. You might very well enjoy it. So, this is Smoking Hare Tavern. Signing off for now. Open this back up. Y'all enjoy your Sunday, the rest of your week. Watch Top Notch. I'll keep you in touch. Keep in touch with you with the progress. And hopefully before too long, I'll be doing pipe and tobacco reviews and discussions and telling stories and other such things from the other side of the planet. Y'all take care. Watch Top Notch. Pray Rosary. Oh, and by the way, something I want to do. We'll close it out with this one. Okay? In the name of the Father, who's my hope, the Son, who's my refuge, and the Holy Spirit, who's my protector. Holy Trinity, glory to thee. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Father bless. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.